Roadmap to become a DevOps engineer. Ever wondered how companies deploy updates so fast without breaking systems? That's the power of DevOps. A DevOps engineer bridges the gap between development and operations. They automate processes, manage infrastructure, and ensure smooth software delivery. DevOps is used in almost every tech company, from startups to large enterprises. So, how do you get started? First, understand the basics of software development and IT operations. Know how applications are built, tested, and deployed. Next, learn a programming or scripting language. Python, Bash, or shell scripting is commonly used for automation. Then understand version control systems. Git and platforms like GitHub or GitLab are essential. After that, learn C/CD pipelines. These automate building, testing, and deploying code. Tools like Jenkins, GitHub Actions, and GitLab C are widely used. Now, move to containerization. Learn Docker to package applications and run them consistently. Then, explore container orchestration. Kubernetes helps manage and scale containers efficiently. Next, understand cloud platforms. Learn AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud for deploying and managing infrastructure. You should also learn infrastructure as code, IZ. Tools like Terraform and CloudFormation help automate infrastructure setup. Monitoring is another key skill. Learn tools like Prometheus, Grafana, or ELK Stack to track system performance. Now comes practice. Build projects like C/CD pipelines, Dockerized applications, cloud deployment systems. Real-world experience is everything. But be ready for challenges. Debugging deployments, managing failures, and handling system outages can be stressful. That's why problem-solving and patience are critical. Think like a DevOps engineer. Focus on automation, reliability, and continuous improvement. Because in modern tech, speed matters, but stability matters more. Start your journey today and become a DevOps engineer powering seamless software delivery.